Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing video, and I've been waiting to unbox this pack for a long time. This came around Christmas period, but I was just keeping it because I had a weave at the time and there was no point in trying it on. I wouldn't even have been able to try it on, so I was just holding it, and finally the time has come. This is the V-Packed wig from UniceHair. It's 20 inches, 150% density, natural color, and human hair. Okay, I got that. Glueless human hair. So this is the pack it comes. It says cannot be defined. Merry Christmas, because this came around Christmas period. So let's open it. To be honest, I have had a look at it just to see, make sure that it was what I ordered, but I haven't actually gone into depth with it. So this is the wig. Let me put it on the side. There's a lot of goodies inside this pack. So first thing is this band, the one that you put at the front if you have a glueless wig. Is that what it is? Then you get this beautiful pink bag. Let's see. I think this is a headband. Wait, is it? No, if this is the one. What's this? Oh, I think it's the one you put if you want your baby head to stick. And you have this. Oh, it's a brush. Nice. So many nice stuff you get. There's a wig cap. Then you get lashes. These are very vamp. And then it says Christmas, and you get these beautiful nails. We keep them for a nice celebration. So let's get the big girl. So the wig. So by the way, this video, because I've looked at the wig briefly, and I've seen that it's natural color. I mean, it did say it was natural color, but I'm thinking I want a jet black wig. It's not I'm thinking, I want a jet black wig. So I did buy some hair dye, and I'm gonna dye it today. I've seen so many videos, so I really hope it comes out nice. I will then have to braid my hair and try it on, but I will briefly try it on now. This is the wig. So the reason why I do want to dye it is because obviously, yes, it's natural color, but it looks a bit brown. But let me actually show it close up, because I don't think you can see it. So as you can tell, it's quite brown. So I don't think it's gonna blend that well with my hair, which is why I want jet black. And I just want jet black. I think jet black will hit different, because all my wigs have been natural color, and black is just different. I'll briefly try it on just so you can have an idea, and then I'll dye it all on camera and all that stuff. This is not this is just literally I just try it on, a quick try on. It will look properly obviously once I've dyed the hair and braided it. Oh, I didn't even describe the hair, by the way. It's quite soft. It's very, very soft. You can tell it's human hair, I guess. And it's quite flowy. And also, it's quite thick. It's a good thickness, I'd say. Let's put it on. I honestly don't know how this looks on camera, but this is let me see. I haven't closed the latch on the back. Should I close it? Yeah, let's close it. Is there a clip here? So I've seen 2 clips here. I can't feel any more clips, to be fair. yeah, but once it's flat then it will make more sense. But this is how, what's that? Oh, this is the latch. How do I close this? So honestly, I don't know where this goes, but and I think it's because like I need to look at the wig properly inside and see what's going on. But I'll do all that after. This was just like a quick turn on, but you can tell the hair is like, it's looking very nice, like, and this is not having curled or anything else. I just want that black though, because black is just gonna bring out like you know what I mean, you will know what I mean. So let me just quickly show you the dye that I bought. This is the one I bought, is the permanent Sta-Sof-Fro permanent powder hair color, quick and easy, covers gray and white hair, just mixed with tap water, jet black, and I got 4 of these I think. Also, because initially I've seen someone use the Adore jet black, but then I've seen around that this is semi-permanent and with time it will start fading away and you get patches. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to keep dyeing it every like couple of weeks. So I got the blue black in Adore because I've seen people say, I've heard people say that it gives that extra black. So I'm not going to put too much of it. I'll put like a few drops perhaps. So stay tuned and see me dye this wig. This will be my first time dyeing a wig. But honestly, how cute is this hair? It's actually so nice. People say that you can close the clips a bit closer so you don't have to actually have any leave out. I'm actually feeling myself already, and this is not even like black, but I should probably stop talking because this video is already long and we haven't even done the like all the part. The next clip will be me probably dyeing the hair. While editing the video, I actually remembered that I didn't add the clip of how I sectioned the front part, so that's what I'm doing here. Just did a line in the middle and like a triangle kind of thing. So after that, I put the wig on. As I'm editing the video, I actually got cornrows. I did cornrows myself just to make it flatter, but in this video I just like did a low pony and it was quite flat as well, so you get options. Then I put some heat protectant and some Frizz oil and straighten the hair. As of now, this is the final look. It doesn't shed at all and there's no smell either. Like I only saw like a few strands here and there, but it doesn't really shed. which is really good, and it's just a good thickness. I think my hair, it doesn't stay flat here, I'm not sure why, so I might need to do something to it, but overall, yeah, overall I really like it. So yeah, it's just perfect, it's just so beautiful. So let me just add some curls so you can see how it looks with curls. So as you can tell, I did add some curls just briefly. I didn't do my whole hair because I'm not going anywhere, I just came back from church. So, but you can tell it retains heat very well, and it's actually very nice. So it's just my hair that is actually so stubborn and won't stay flat. So I need to find something. If you have any suggestions of how to keep your actual hair flat, I think it's just because this part is short, that's why. But overall, it's so beautiful. Let me just go back so you can see the actual length. So yes, 10 out of 10. I have nothing to say, nothing bad to say about it. Just so beautiful and way easier. No smell, it was clean, like just perfect. The only thing was obviously the color, which was natural color, and I wanted black, that's why I wanted jet black, which is why I dyed it, but it's just perfect. So yeah, I'll probably put the link down below as well, in case, just so you know which one I bought. But yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.